Hey everyone, this is Agatha with 360 Photo Booth Expert. Today I wanted to show you how I set up my 360. I want to show you the arm. So I have my tape around my LED strip, my LED bar light. It's right here. I just light it up just so that way we have extra lighting. We have some kids that we're attending with today. I also have my battery pack here that is run up to my lightning cable to charge, and then my USB for my GoPro. That's direct cabled to a mini iPad. What's cool is, like, once I hit start, it'll take the picture. Watch 3, 2, 1, and you'll notice it'll grab the image and it'll process it and post it, and it's super fast versus doing it wirelessly. Which is super cool, right? And then the customers have the option just to do it from here. So just to kind of show you how I did it is I went ahead and put my clamp here, have my 360 ball so I can put the angle, and then I have my iPad bracket on top. At the bottom I have my USB cable, my USB-C cable direct connected to my USB, which is going to the USB-C to the GoPro. All right, and then to my power I have to my bank. So when you come to set it up, you're going to go here to menu, camera, and then you're going to go to GoPro Connect Wired. Make sure you do that. This is perfect so that you don't have any issues with it, disconnecting or anything like that. When I'm ready, I'll turn on my lights right there. I have my red rope stanchions, got my LED bar lights set up. And then I also have some more LED lights. I got just in the back end for just emergencies. I have an AC adapter, I have extra remotes, extra batteries. If something goes wrong with my 360, I am already ready to go just in case. So I just hang that there. Then I have some sets of props. They can either take a picture. I was going to use this as a sharing station, but I figured there's going to be a bunch of people here, so I'm going to go ahead and use it as a digital booth. So we'll have people taking pictures in line while they wait for the 360. And then I have my battery pack, so that way I don't have to run an additional cable for my iBooth. So you can see here, this is my iBooth case, super small. It's literally like right above my knee. Super, like you can see that. It's like, actually it's almost to my hip, but still it's nice because it's like all branded to my company. And then you can see the iBooth. I have the little mirror face plate, but you can remove that and it just be solid black. When you purchase it, you'll get them with both. So you could see here, I can go ahead and hit start, and I could take a picture here. I could also tilt it down. We're going to be dealing with kids, so I'd probably tilt it down. There we go. And then they can email, text, airdrop it directly to themselves, which is nice. So that's the setup that we have here today for the iBooth, and that is a 12.9 iPad Pro. So that's our setup right over here. The next thing I'm going to show you guys is the photo booth setup. Don't want to get any kids' faces, so I'm going to show the floor. So this is what the setup looks like. We got the backdrop, sandbags. We got the 2.0 photo booth system, old school coming out. I like it just because it's like super fast to set up. Got some props, got my printer stand, printer cover, the photo booth there, and then they could see themselves here, take pictures, email, text, and then instant prints that come out right over here. So that's what we have set up today. We are doing a carnival event, so you could see back over there they're doing a bunch of stuff, and we got the DJ over there. So that's our setup today. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, concerns, we do sell and rent. Make sure to visit 360photoboothexpert.com. If you have any additional questions, reach out to us via Instagram at 360boothexpert, or just comment. We'll respond back.